In the dead of a Siberian morning, something unimaginable shook the earth. It was June 30th, 1908, a quiet day in the remote Tunguska region. And then, the sky erupted. A massive explosion tore through the dense Siberian forest. Over 2,000 square kilometers of trees flattened, yet no crater, no immediate explanation. What could have caused such devastation? Eyewitnesses described the sky as lit with fire. The shockwave knocked people off their feet, shattered windows hundreds of kilometers away. Animals fled in panic. Birds dropped from the sky. The scale was unlike anything humanity had ever recorded. But this was no ordinary meteor impact. Scientists would later struggle, for decades, to understand the phenomenon. In 1927, Leonid Kulik, a Russian mineralogist, led the first expedition to Tunguska. He expected a crater. What he found instead was a wasteland. Millions of trees lying flat, radiating outward from a central point in the forest. No signs of a meteorite, no fragments of iron or stone large enough to explain the destruction. Only one thing was clear: the energy unleashed that day was immense. Over the years, countless theories emerged: a comet, a meteor, an alien spacecraft. Most scientists now believe it was an airburst of a cosmic object, a small asteroid or comet entering Earth's atmosphere. It exploded 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground, releasing energy equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. To put that in perspective, it was 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. Yet because it exploded high in the atmosphere, the ground remained largely intact. Some even suggest it may have been a fragment of a comet, composed mostly of ice, that vaporized before hitting Earth. Though the Tunguska event occurred in a sparsely populated region, its implications were global. It revealed a terrifying truth: Earth is vulnerable to cosmic impacts. Objects smaller than most cities can release catastrophic energy. Scientists today study Tunguska to better understand asteroid threats. Early detection systems, satellite monitoring, all lessons drawn from that mysterious day in Siberia. And it wasn't just science. Tunguska inspired imagination. Writers, filmmakers, and researchers, all captivated by a fiery mystery that struck without warning. Even after more than a century, Tunguska keeps its secrets. No crater, no definitive fragments. Some odd theories persist: ball lightning, underground gas explosions, even alien intervention. Yet the most plausible explanation remains a cosmic airburst. And every time a meteor streaks across the sky, we remember the day the Siberian forest fell, silently, violently, under a fire from the heavens. The Tunguska event is a stark reminder of the fragile thread on which life on Earth hangs. A reminder that the cosmos is alive with power we can barely comprehend. And though we study it, analyze it, theorize endlessly, some mysteries are meant to remain just beyond our grasp. Tunguska, a whisper of the universe's raw power that still echoes over a century later.